Are you ready to have more drones flying over your home bringing you packages? Amazon has been doing that for a while in many markets, and now Walmart hopes to expand its drone delivery program to over 270 stores by the end of next year, dropping packages off even further with larger, more improved drones to bring what you want to your house even faster. This is all part of Walmart's plan to take on Amazon and beat Amazon in the online space, not only to become the largest retailer in physical stores, but to become the largest online for people to pick them over Amazon.com. We'll tell you what's happening in this battle between two giants to try to convince you to shop with them by being the fastest to bring you products here real quick. But I'm going to be talking about a story from the Wall Street Journal, and I'll put a link to that story in the show notes and in the first pinned comment so you can read it for yourself and come up with your own opinions. I'd love to hear from you. I've been a reporter for over 11 years. I own my own news organization with staff across the country. And sometimes there's stories like this that really stand out to me that I wanted to bring my own thoughts to. So I'm going to dive deep in this, try to help you understand it. So try to help you understand the world around you by covering news stories like this. With that said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It really does help us. Let's dive into it. All right. Amazon has for some time now been using drones in select markets, and they've been expanding this program to more areas to deliver products to your front door or backyard, depending on where they deliver it, from Amazon.com using drones, giving you rapid, quick access to a large selection of products. And now Walmart's doing the same. Walmart has been testing this for some time in select markets where a select number of products could be delivered to your home with quick ease from drones. And now they're going to be expanding that to more markets using a larger kind of fixed wing drone that can fly further distances and then transition to a kind of helicopter type drone to land and drop off products to your yard. Now, this was intended to be rolling out to 270 stores by the end of 2017, so next year, or I said 2027, I apologize, next year. This really comes down to one thing. Walmart wants to beat Amazon. Walmart is investing heavily to improve its online shopping with AI and more. With this, Walmart also announced a partnership this week with Google to allow you to buy products on Walmart.com through Google Gemini's AI assistant. Ask it to order toothpaste or whatever it may be. The AI assistant will place the order if you link it and allow it to deliver products straight to your home rapidly without ever having to open the Walmart app or visit Walmart.com. This comes as Walmart wants to expand. Increasingly, people are not walking into stores through things like grocery delivery and online ordering through Amazon and other places. Increasingly, people are walking into stores fewer and fewer. Well, it still happens, it just doesn't happen as much, resulting in them cutting back on the number of times that Walmart gets traffic. To offset that, they're trying to compete with Amazon. They launched their Walmart Plus feature, which has a lot of services similar to Amazon Prime. They partnered with Paramount and Peacock to offer streaming to compete with Prime Video. They've expanded their delivery service to get you groceries and more, trying to use all their local stores as hubs to quickly deliver products to your house, in many cases faster than Amazon can because they're closer to you. And now they're meeting Amazon's drone program by bringing you your own that could get you products in minutes or hours instead of days going forward. There's also another part of this. Leaning on drones helps them to dramatically reduce the reliance on human delivery drivers. For one, there's a cost with that, and there's a legal liability. If somebody's on a road and gets in an accident while delivering a product for them, opens them up to potentially workers' comp and other issues. If the other party got injured, they could face a lawsuit and more. Switching to drones helps dramatically reduce those liability risks, removing vehicles from roads and helping them hopefully cut costs is a big part of it. This comes as during the holiday season, Walmart experienced widespread issues meeting the demand. Walmart heavily relies on third-party delivery drivers to pick up the groceries and other purchases and drop them off at your house. Because of that, they've had a problem. There's not enough of them out there. And that's why Walmart has increasingly hired their own drivers and is investing heavily in drones to try to offset that need. There's a whole number of factors, as with all things, there's many factors that go into such issues like this. It's not just one thing, it's a lot of little things all put together that come together. We'll have to watch this closely. Amazon and Walmart are in very tight competition. While neither one really talks much about it, when one offers a new feature, the other likes to copy it. For example, Walmart offered a gas discount if you're a Walmart customer through mobile and their own gas stations, only for Amazon to launch a similar gas discount program for Amazon Prime customers. By the way, if you're not taking advantage of that and you're Walmart Plus or Amazon Prime, hey, you can get like 10 cents off a gallon or some other deals. Check out the show note or check out your account with them for details on how to do that. But all this comes together in a tit for tat. You know, like we talked about streaming, Walmart added partnerships with others to take on Amazon streaming. Walmart offers benefits in other areas, grocery delivery. Amazon expands their grocery delivery program. Amazon wants to take out Walmart. Walmart wants to take out Amazon. And the question is, will delivery be a part of it? Do you, question here, consider delivery time when buying a product? I would say I do to a point. There are times where I do need one, and if I can get that tomorrow guaranteed or even today, it would factor into my need. But I'm fine with a reasonable delivery time for most orders, but there are many where it just needs to be right now. So we'll watch that closely. There's a lot out there that makes this all feasible and possible with it, so that we offer all these plans, or they offer all these plans to try to entice you to their service. We'll see what happens. Walmart's betting big. They're investing millions, maybe even billions across all these projects, from remodeling their stores, putting AI in their stores to help them ensure that there's never products out of stock, the carts are always there when you need them, and more. Improving checkout and security, improving product selection, trying to raise the quality of their products to better compete with places like Target, and to improve the delivery speed using drones and other products to take on Amazon. Walmart is looking heavily to the future and what the customers want today to meet the demands. Has that changed your views on Walmart? Leave me a comment, let me know. But hey, if you like this video, we do videos like this all the time, trying to break down interesting news stories out there, helping you understand them better and helping them maybe makes a little bit better sense of what's happening in the world around you. If you like what we do here, please consider hitting that subscribe button or hitting that thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. And hey, if you like these kind of videos, I do deep dives into technology and cord cutting and TV and more over on my main channel, cordcuttersnews.com. Cord Cutters News here on YouTube, youtube.com/cordcuttersnews. Check that out. It's a huge collection of news stories there. Until next time, take care, be safe. I'll be back again real soon with another video. Thank you so much for your support. I hope this helped you. Until next time, be safe, take care. I'll talk to you all again real soon.